Do you know what are good and bad conductors of heat? Let's learn about it through an activity. Take hot water in a glass. Collect some articles such as steel spoon, a plastic scale, and a pencil. Dip one end of each of these articles in hot water. After a few minutes, touch the other end of each article. You observe that the steel spoon gets hot. It is made up of metal. Spoon allows heat to pass through it. So, it is a conductor. The plastic scale and the pencil do not get hot. The scale is made of plastic, whereas the pencil is made of wood. Both plastic and wood do not allow heat to pass through them. They are called insulators. The materials which allow heat to pass through them quickly are called good conductors of heat. All the metals like silver, copper, aluminium, iron, stainless steel are good conductors of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors of heat or insulators. Paper, wood, leather, clothes, mud, rubber, plastics, glass, etc. are bad conductors of heat or insulators. Air and distilled water are also bad conductors of heat. Most liquids and gases are also bad conductors of heat. Uses of good conductors of heat. The materials which are good conductors of heat are used wherever heat is to be transferred fast. They are used for making cooking utensils, heating rods, and alloys like brass and stainless steel because they are good conductors of heat. Silver is the best conductor of heat. Uses of bad conductors of heat, or you can say applications of insulators. Number 1. Insulating handles. Appliances like cooking pan, pressure cooker, electric iron and electric kettle are provided with wooden or bakelite or plastic handles because these materials are bad conductors of heat. Hence, the heat from the hot appliances does not flow into our body. As a result, we can hold the appliances by their handles even when they are hot. Number 2. False ceilings. False ceilings generally made of plaster of Paris, asbestos or wooden playboards provide a layer of air between the two ceilings which keeps the room warm during winters and cool during summers. Since the air in between the two ceilings is a bad conductor of heat, it prevents the transmission of heat from either side. Eyes are covered with gunny bags. The material used for making gunny bags is a bad conductor of heat and does not allow the heat flow from outside to enter into eyes. Moreover, the air filled in the interspaces of a gunny bag, being a bad conductor of heat, further checks the transmission of heat from outside and prevents the ice from melting. Number 3. Woolen garments. We prefer woolen clothes in winter seasons because wool is an insulator. The air gets trapped in between the wool fibers. Air is also a bad conductor of heat. Both air and wool prevent the flow of heat from our body to the cool surroundings. They also prevent the cool air from reaching our body, so we feel warm. Number 4. Igloos. Eskimos make double-walled houses called igloos using blocks of ice. Igloos present in polar region are made of ice. Air enclosed in between the double walls prevent the transmission of heat generated within the igloo and hence it keeps them warm. Number 5. Double walls. The walls and doors of a refrigerator have two layers with an insulating material in the middle. This material and the air entrapped between the two walls prevents heat from entering the refrigerator. The same is true in case of double-walled cold storage and double-walled icebox. Number 6. Gunny bags. Slabs of ice are covered with gunny bags. The material used for making gunny bags is a bad conductor of heat and does not allow the heat flow from outside to enter into ice. Moreover, the air filled in the interspaces of a gunny bag, being a bad conductor of heat, further checks the transmission of heat from outside and prevents the ice from melting.